Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. What year is this vehicle?
2012.
2012 Yaris, okay. Nice.
Good sundown SA V218.
6-hour build?
Yeah.
There you go. Did you design the box? Somebody do it for you?
No, I built everything. I did it.
Good job. Looks good. Oh wow, your tires. What are they called?
Steely wheels.
Yeah.
They're 15 by 10s.
Okay. Yeah.
The car came with like 7-inch wide wheels on it.
Yeah.
It's 2 Sundown SA V218s.
Uh-huh.
Sound Digital 12K.
Okay.
Got a Sound Digital 200.4. Got 135 amp hour of Proto Bank. Sundown 6.5, Sundown Tweet, Sundown crossovers in each door. That one kind of fell off.
Yeah. Oh man, yep.
And we're honestly running factory alt.
Okay.
Is
it lithium's doing pretty good for short demos?
Short demos, it does good. I mean, it's only got like a 90 amp alternator on it, so it's only doing it. This is honestly coming back out tonight. This was put in here just for Ruckus.
All right, sweet. Nice. How big is your box?
It's 5.5 cubes. It's right at 10 cubes. It's a little small for the subs, but like I said, it's just something we had.
Yeah. Yes,
It plays anything and everything I ask it to.
Yeah. Nice.
And it's really honestly impressive. I was very impressed.
Having that port, I guess, facing up instead of back on the hatch helps round the sound. It looks good. Have you tried mounting it regular?
The subs inverted?
Yeah.
Or bent down in the box? No, I haven't.
Okay. 1,500 RMS subs?
1,000.
1,000, really?
Yeah,
Wow.
they're rated at 1,000.
And you're putting 2-3K on them probably.
Oh yeah, for sure. So the amps turn down so far, if I turn it anymore, it's off.
Yeah.
But I mean, between the electrical and the subs being...
It gives you headroom too. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Ted's system. This was at the Ruckus and Chill show in Fayetteville, North Carolina of 2022, November. Be sure to let Ted know what you think about his system by commenting, say something positive, as well as give him a like. Shout out to you, Ted. I know you're watching. You did a really good job with the walk around and the demo we're about to get. So really deep box. He said it was right at 10 cubes. On the small side, he has his subs inverted, a pretty nice subflex action I'll be able to show you all in the video. I like the way he has a lot of headroom. So anybody running a lot of power like he has a 12,000 watt amplifier. The sub's only rated at 1,000 watts, so he has more than enough power than he needs, even with the stock electrical, with a beefy electrical lithium bank. But he isn't able to ever have to turn it up all the way, so he never has to worry about clipping, and he has clean signal to the subs, and he knows how to play his limits. So you'll see in the video, he really gets some stinky for this video, so be sure to give him a thumbs up. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. Thank y'all for watching. Consider subscribing, and enjoy. Any SPL tests? I know you said you just got it.
Girls
okay.
tickle.
All right, here we go. 1,500 RMS subs?
1,000.
1,000, really?
Yeah,
Wow.
they're rated at 1,000.
And you're putting 2-3K on them probably.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Man, I appreciate that, dude.
I mean, like I said, the amps turned down so far. If I turn it anymore, it's off.
Yeah.
But I mean, between the electrical and the subs being,
It gives you headroom too, so.
yeah.
Appreciate the demo, man.
Oh yeah, appreciate
Yes, sir.
you, man.
Yeah. Appreciate it, man. Nice job,
appreciate
Ted.
you, man. Thank
Ted,
you.
right? Ted, yes, sir. Awesome, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.